My name is Braden Robinson, and this is my project. I modified an ice cream maker and took out the circuit card and replaced it with an Arduino to be able to make a feedback loop so that it would tell me when it's done, and so that I could turn off different components at different times to be able to make it more efficient and more safe. Here's my project up a little closer. I've got an LCD screen as the display, an IR remote and its receiver as the user interface. I've got a relay down in the back here that's taking the power from this variable power supply and providing it to the mixing motor, as well as the thermoelectric cooler cell and the fan that cools it off. And then as for my sensor, I've got a thermocouple down in the bottom of the bowl to be able to measure the actual temperature of the ice cream, which is used in my feedback loop. And I've also was trying to use a current sensor to measure the current in the mixing motor, so I'd know when it was seizing up, when it was starting to get frozen. It's harder to turn. And we've got those values displayed here. Here's the current, and here is the temperature. And then the top row is the desired temperature, the desired current, and the desired frozen level of the ice cream. And I just assigned a temperature and current value to those, and then that uses those in the feedback loop. Alright, and then to see it in action, we'll just take the IR remote and choose our desired hardness level for the ice cream. And I'll do that in just a second because it'll turn the fans on and everything, and it'll get kind of loud, but then it'll run for about 45 minutes or an hour until it's frozen, and I'll hop back on and show you what it does when it's done freezing. For now, we'll choose a value, choose 2. And you can see the desired temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. There's the actual, and then the current as well. You can also see in here, it's starting to mix the ice cream, and then the fans and stuff are on for the TEC cell. Alright, and when it's reached its target temperature, it turns this little buzzer on to tell me that it's done, and it turns off the mixing motor so that it's not still running or trying to run and stall, so that it doesn't burn itself up. And here's what it looks like when it's finally done.